I. Boot. R. Project setting. Add project. CRE parameter setting. Then select the test item. Use pure water to clean the instrument. Wait for the warm-up to complete. After the warm-up stage is over, start testing the water blank. End of test. 6. Calibration test. Use reagent RE加 water to mix well. Place it in the instrument for 5 minutes, and then add reagent R2 to mix well for test. Mix well. Incubate on the instrument for 5 minutes. Add R2 reagent to the test tube after incubation. Start testing after mixing. Start testing. End of test. Mix with reagent RE加 reference standard. Place in the instrument for 5 minutes, and then add R2 reagent to mix well for test. Mix well. Incubate on the instrument for 5 minutes. Then add the R2 reagent to the incubated tube. Mix well. Start testing. End of test. 7. Sample testing. Mix with reagent R1 加 sample. Place the instrument for incubation for 5 minutes, and then add reagent R2 to mix well for test. Mix well. Place in the instrument and incubate for 5 minutes. After incubation, add R2 reagent. Mix well. Start sample testing. End of test.